What?
I bet you anything that was a fish that was on my line originally. The barracuda. See it?
Where?
Right there. In the water.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that a big fish?
It's huge. That's a big one.
That's what I'm going to try to get.
Are you going to bring your line closer?
He knows it's there already.
Oh. But how far did your line go out?
I'm already getting it.
Sorry. Oh, I can kind of see it. Oh, oh, oh! It's pulling. Jake's leaning. We got one! Well, Jake got one. Oh my gosh.
That's the first one I got.
It's the same one?
Yeah, it was the first one just like this. It's probably not the exact same one.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Alright.
Hold on a second. I want you to take a picture of me. I'm going to get it
Alright,
out
I'm going to turn the recording off then.
Huh?
I'm going to turn the recording off.
Okay.
Alright, I'm video recording you because this seems eventful.
So we have a fish here.
He won't give up the
It
hook.
has really strong
Teeth. Like human teeth.
I'm thinking though. I think he's stronger than Jake, but he's not.
Oh my gosh, look, he's like squeezing. Oh, poor guy, just let him. If you just didn't fight, we would let you be. Oh my gosh.
Stop! He's like biting down, like.
Ooh, just pull.
It's
like stuck in his skin.
got it.
Alright. And it went back.
Did you get a good picture of it?
Does that mean you got something?
It came off.
Oh.
Did you feel that though? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it. Did it get the bait?
Yeah.
No more bait.
Did you hear that?